Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to use Omegle. So first of all you need to open a browser and open a new tab. There on the search bar you need to type in omegle.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of the Omegle. Once you're at the web page, here this is the web page. So Omegle basically is a social media platform which is a great way to meet new friends, or you can meet with the random person and talk about the common interest that you have. It is a safe and anonymous process of having a conversation with a stranger. So for you to know how you can choose Omegle, you scroll down and there you will see the option of add your interest. You can type in all the interests that you have and that you want to talk with or have a conversation with the other party. So here I'm just gonna type in college. Once you type in, you need to press enter. Then you need to type in other topics that you would like to have a common interest with. I'm gonna add few more topics. I guess this is it. Once you have provided all the topics, you need to choose text or video. You have two options of how you want to interact with the other person. That is either via text or you can do the video call as well. I'm just gonna click on text. Now you need to click agreeing the terms of service and the privacy policy. Click on confirm and continue. Then you need to click on I'm not robot. Now they will choose a certain person to have the conversation with you. Now you can continue the conversation with the other person. Here you can see the conversation has ended as well. So this is how you can use Omegle. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.